Hello and welcome to another video walk around of a car that we've got for sale. Today we are having a look at a 70 plated Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross 3 petrol automatic 4-wheel drive. This car has done just over 1,000 miles. I think it's about 1,200 miles. So basically it's almost a sort of a demonstrator mileage car in as new or as near to it condition as possible and ready for its next keeper. Let's have a wander around and have a closer look at the car. This car has got parking sensors fitted front and back. It's also got a reversing camera. So I'll just try and show you it there. So also got protection pack fitted, which is a trim on the rear boot, mud flaps, carpet mats, and a boot protector as well. The car's unmarked. It's just come in from being in the rain, so I apologise, there's a bit of water on it. And if we have a look inside the car, you can see the carpet mats there. Not even sure anybody sat in the back of the car, it looks like. And if we take a look in the front, you see the automatic gearbox. The entertainment system, which syncs with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, brilliant bit of kit. Coming across here, yes, 92 miles the car's done. You can see the paddle shifts for the gearbox, multi-function steering wheel, and head-up display as well, which comes up. All in all, lovely car, ready for its next owner, and priced to represent a large saving on new price as well. If this car is of interest to you, please get in touch with us. You can give us a call on 01382 77992 or contact us through our website at autoecosse.com, or finally via the usual social media channels. Thank you for watching.